Hello everyone, Mike with Hyphen Studio. Welcome to our second screencast in a three-part series on Facebook pages for business. If you were with us last time, we walked you through the basic steps of actually setting up a Facebook page. Three initial steps, just kind of entering what type of business you are, putting your information in, letting Facebook do the rest, and then inviting some friends, things like that. Today we're going to look a little bit deeper at the actual timeline, a couple of different photos that we can use, one being the cover photo and the second one of course being a profile pic, which, I mean, you're used to profile pics if you've been on Facebook at all. Now with the Facebook timeline, it's just a little bit different way of doing things. So we go ahead and open up our Facebook page. You can see here this was the basic Facebook page that we set up last time for Stage Right of Lethbridge. They're a home staging business here in town. Now today we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna add our cover photo and we're gonna add our profile picture. You can see your profile pic is actually gonna go here, and our cover photo is gonna add on here. Now the cover photo is a nice, decent sized image at the top of the page. It's 851 pixels by 315 pixels. So you'll see it's a pretty good piece of real estate at the top. Companies are using this to do either some really funny, neat, cool things, or they're using it just for, basic, adding their logo, different things like that. There's a few things you need to be aware of, and we'll cover that when we start uploading this image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add a Cover. And this is what I was going to mention here. The space is not meant for promotions, coupons, or advertisements. Your cover photo should not be primarily text-based or infringe on anyone else's copyright. So make sure you're paying attention to what copyright you're using. And then of course learn more about choosing a cover photo, and they've got a link here. For those of you that are maybe fresh on Facebook, or you don't really understand what they're talking about with, like, mostly text-based or copyright infringement, go ahead, read the link, go through the content that's in there. It's a good thing to cover. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. It's going to give us an option here now for uploading a photo. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm in my Stage Right folder here already. A few different images here. Now I've got one Facebook timeline cover, and you can see there 851 by 315. So I'm going to click on that and go ahead and click open. Now if your image is bigger than that, you don't really have to worry about it. Facebook does give you the option, you can see here in the center, drag to reposition cover. Now I can click and drag and nothing actually happens because mine is exactly the same size as what it needs to be. Okay, once you're happy with this and you're happy with the placement of everything, again, I got the layout all done in Photoshop before I did this, so I can go ahead and just click Save Changes. And there's our cover photo. Now again, just, nice and simple. This is actually a green couch that we have on the Stage Right homepage. We just pulled that in. I put some hardwood floor under it, give it a nice little reflection here just to make it look like it's all shiny, and a little bit of shadow on the back. And then of course the logo kind of looks like it's sitting up on the wall there. So our next step is to add a profile picture. You can do some pretty neat things with this if it's done right. If you go and look at the Captain Morgan's website, they've kind of done their whole play with guys in the bar and stuff like that, or people in the bar, and then they've got their bottle. So they've actually got the Captain Morgan label here in the profile picture with a bottle of Captain Morgan's in the back. So again, I mean, you can get creative if you've got the ability with Photoshop or Pixlr on the web. It's a free editing software. Anything like that you want to be able to use, go in, be creative. You can download templates for this that actually show the top of the page so that you can get all your pixels and everything right and make sure that it all looks the way that it should before actually uploading it to your page. So we're going to add a profile picture here. I'm going to go upload photo again, grab one of our images of Wendy, who's the owner of Stage Right, and we're just going to throw her profile picture on there. So that's it for today. Relatively simple. Again, just basic stuff, changing the cover, adding the profile picture. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to stop over at our website, hyphenstudio.ca. You can make comments in the blog post, or send us a quick email. We'll get in touch with you. If you need help with setting something like this up, again, this is also something that we offer for services. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for part 3 coming in probably about a week or so. Thanks.